Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of October. Now, I've had this box for a couple of weeks, but we've had a lot going on in our home, so I had to delay this. So I'm ready to get into the box to see what I got for this month. Real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You're going to pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, whatever you want. And when you fill out your profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items from your box, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply your $20 styling fee. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago, Stitch Fix offered me the Style Pass, and so each year I pay $49 to have unlimited fixes sent to me throughout the year. Stitch Fix is doing a fix preview, and so in my note to my stylist, I just asked for fall colored items, and so I did select 3 of the items that were sent to me in this box. So let's get into the box to see what I got for this month. And right on top, I have my return envelope, and so this envelope is used to send back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make any exchanges. I love that shipping is free both ways, which makes it really nice and convenient. You're also going to have your envelope here, and inside is your price invoice sheet. And this is actually fix number 50 for me. I can't believe it. Also inside that white envelope is your letter from your stylist. It's an Oh Hello card, and so it has styling suggestions for the items that are in your box, but it also has that note from your stylist. And I'm going to read my note real quick. It's a great day for a fix, Jennifer. An instant smile appears as I see your fix pop up. I'm over the moon you loved everything sent in your last fix, from the colors to the prints. Mother Nature was right on cue here in Pittsburgh as we had a cold and rainy day to kick off autumn. Your warmer days were exciting to see, and everything you chose from your preview is exactly what I would have picked for you. The Cozy Market and Spruce cardigan is one of your favorites, which is why I had to let you see the beautiful emerald color. And don't be afraid to try this with the Quin crochet top. But if you aren't feeling it, I popped in the Marielle Tassel detail top. There weren't any medium wash denim jackets, but the burnt orange jacket will be ideal for these sleeveless tops in fall. I love styling this fix with you. Till next time, XX Kara. So I love how they give you 2 styling suggestions for each item in your box. And so here's a look at my bundle. And I think I chose this item, the cardigan, and these pants right here when I did my fix preview. So let's open it up. All right, so the first item on top is by Rainn, the Quin Keyhole Crochet Top in Burnt Orange. And I did select this from my preview. And here's what that top looks like. I just really love the burnt orange color. I thought the colors in the floral print were really pretty. And so it's just a sleeveless top. So right now it's still pretty warm where we're at. We're still in like the mid 70s, but the temperatures have been going up and down. But this type of top is perfect for me to put a cardigan over and wear to work. So it has this really pretty crochet detail right here. It does have some crochet detail going down the back. The back is a solid burnt orange. Like I said, I just really like the colors of this top for fall, and I thought I could put a cardigan over top of it and it would look really nice for work. All right, next is an item that she put into the box, and it is also by Rainn, the Marielle Tassel Detail Top in Teal Green. And so here is what that top looks like. I don't know that I would necessarily call it a teal green. I guess it does have a little bit of a teal green color down at the bottom, but it does have some burnt orange in there and kind of some, I guess, like a beige kind of color in there. And so it does have the tassels going down the front. What kind of print would you say that is? It is kind of thin, and it is soft, so I wonder if it's made of rayon. Let me check the fabric real quick. Yeah, it is 100% rayon, so you would have to be careful washing that. And it does have a little keyhole in the back, so I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm not sure that I love it, so I'll have to see how that looks when I try it on. But she did suggest trying the cardigan over top of that one. Next is the cardigan. It's by Market and Spruce, the Heather Ribbed Brush Neck Cardigan in green. I absolutely love these cardigans. Now, none of the cardigans that I have the ribbing on it, but it is this really pretty emerald green color. I love that color. And you can see how it has the ribbing throughout the cardigan. These cardigans are just really soft. I think I have a gray one and a black one, and so I told her that I love these cardigans, and so she put this one into my box. It does have the pockets on each side. So she did recommend trying both tops with this cardigan, so we will try that. And then next, one of my favorite brands of pants are the Tribal brand of pants, and so this is the Fia Mid-Rise Cuff Straight Trouser in black, but it's not really black. It's kind of like a mix of black and white and gray. So it's a pull-up style pant, which I love these pants for work. It does have like the little faux pockets right here. I figured this print could actually pair with a lot of different tops, so I thought it might be nice. It does have a cuff on the bottom. It is thicker. It's not as soft as the other pairs that I have, so I'll be interested to see if this fits me, because usually I have to size down, but with it being a thicker material, I wonder if it'll fit okay. With it still being warmer, I am wearing cropped pants to work quite a bit right now. And then she threw in this jacket by Liverpool, the Temma denim jacket in burnt orange. And so here is this jacket. I do love the burnt orange color for fall, so I think that's a good color. I'll be interested to see how it pairs with these two tops. I feel like this is going to be an interesting fix. I think it's all going to depend on that one particular top and how everything fits me. So I'm going to get ready to do a try on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first two items. And on top I have the Rainn Quin Keyhole Crochet top. And then on the bottom I have the Fia Mid-Rise Cuff Straight Trouser. And it says in black, but it's like this multicolor. So let's start with the top. I love the colors in this top for fall. It has like the burnt orange, but then it has like some dark green and some light green, some like blues and things like that. This really pretty kind of vibrant purple. It does have this really pretty crochet detail going down the front. It's got a little keyhole right here in the front. It is polyester in the front and probably like a rayon spandex mix in the back. And so the back has that crochet detail going down the back, and then it does have a split down here at the bottom. So I think this is really pretty for fall. What do you guys think? I did pair it with these pants, but I don't know that I would necessarily put the two together, so I thought I'd go ahead and try it. So I own several pairs of the Tribal brand of pants, but this one is a much thicker material. So normally I have to size down because the silkier ones tend to feel like they're going to stretch out and they bag more here. But these don't feel like that. I love how they come up higher. I do think that these pants would pair better with like a solid sweater or top. But what do you guys think about these two items together? Would you put these two items together or not? They are a cropped length because it is still warm here. I don't think the two items look bad together. I just don't necessarily know that I would always put them together. So, but you guys tell me what you think. I'm going to try the green cardigan over top of this, and I'll be right back. All right, third item is this emerald green cardigan, and this is by Market and Spruce, the Heather Ribbed Brush Knit Cardigan. And I threw it over top of this top because the top does have like dark green in it. So what do you think about this top and this cardigan together? Do you think they pair well together, or do you think it's too drastically different? I'm not sure how I feel about it. I love the cardigan. It's super soft and comfy. It does have the ribbing throughout. It says it's heathered, but it might have some specks of black in it, but nothing like, it's not really like heathered like most heathered materials. And here's what it looks like together. What do you think? She did send that burnt orange jacket, and so I'm going to try that over top of this and see what we think. Be right back. All right, guys, the fourth item is this jacket by Liverpool, the Temma denim jacket in burnt orange. And my stylist did suggest that I try the cardigan and the burnt orange jacket with both tops. So this jacket is super stretchy. I love the burnt orange color. I have one other Liverpool jacket, and it's in like a dark navy blue color, and I love it. This is a great color for fall. Do you think it's too much burnt orange together over top of this top? What do you guys think about that? Really is a pretty color. I still have it on with these pants. I'm still trying to figure out if I think these items go with these pants or not. You guys tell me what you think. I've got that last top, and she did say to try on the cardigan and this jacket with it, so I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, last item is this top by Rainn. It is the Marielle Tassel Detail Top, and it says it's in teal green. And so it has like this lighter color. Here's the pattern. It does have some like crochet detail going down the front right here. It does have the tassels. I've got them open right now, but I'll try tying it here in a second. It does have like this orange band, and then what I would call like the teal green or teal kind of bluish band down at the bottom. It is rayon, and because it is rayon, I feel like I always have to size up if it's rayon. Because if it shrinks, like right now it fits okay, but if it shrinks, it's going to be too small or too tight and then not comfortable. So what do you guys think about this top on me? I'm going to try the cardigan on over top of it like she suggested, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have the emerald green cardigan over top of this top. And so what do you think about this combination? As a teacher, I would probably tie it, but if I was wearing it out and about other places, I would probably leave it untied. Do you like this combination together? All right, I'm gonna try on the burnt orange jacket with it, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with this jacket over this top, and here's what this looks like. So what do you guys think about this combination? I think I really don't know what to do about this top, because with it being rayon, I'm worried that it's going to shrink. So would you size up in this top? I don't know. I've got questions. We're going to get together and do a recap and talk about prices, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices, and I am really going to need your help on this fix. I do not know what I'm going to do. I need some input on what you think I should keep. Do you think it's a 5 for 5, or do you think I should send some items back? You tell me. So the first item on my list is by Rainn, the Marielle Tassel Detail Top in Teal Green, and the cost of this is $64. I do think it's a cute top. It is 100% rayon, which kind of concerns me, so I'm trying to decide if I keep everything. Should I size up to an extra large? Should I send it back and then send something else back? You guys tell me what you think. What do you think I should do with this particular top? And also tell me, did you like the green cardigan with it? Did you like the burnt orange jacket with it? Just let me know what you think about this top in particular. The next item is the Rainn Quin Keyhole Crochet Top in burnt orange, and this one is also $64. I really love the colors and the print of this particular top. I thought the green cardigan matched it, but I think I really like that burnt orange. But do you think it's too much burnt orange together? So you guys tell me what you think about this top. Next is the Market and Spruce Heather Ribbed Brushed Knit Cardigan in green. And that's this cardigan. I love these cardigans. I'm a teacher, and so I put cardigans over my tops all the time. I think the color is really, really pretty for fall and winter. And so the cost of this one is $48, which is normal for that particular cardigan. Next is the jacket, and of course it is the most expensive item in the box, the Liverpool Temma denim jacket in burnt orange. My husband really loves the color of this jacket. I really like the color of this jacket. It's just one of those things, if I don't keep everything, should I keep the jacket or should I send it back because it's a little more pricey? So you guys tell me what you think. What did you think about it with those two tops? I would love to know. And then last but not least is the Tribal Fia Mid-Rise Cuff Straight Trouser in black, and these are $58. I do think this is a good like print or pattern for fall and winter. The temperatures are going up and down where I live, so it's still warm sometimes, and so I've been wearing cropped pants on and off to work, and so I do think these pants would pair really nicely with a solid colored sweater. You tell me what you think. Did you like these pants with any of those tops? I'm just curious to know what you thought about these pants. I'm really conflicted here. I just don't know what I'm going to do. It's really coming down to that one top, what I decide to do. So the Stylist Pick subtotal is $332. If I buy all 5, I get that 25% discount, which takes off $83. The order subtotal would be $249. I am fortunate enough to have some credit right now, and so I have $149 in credit to work with for this box. And so if I use that credit, that would make this box an even $100. So you tell me what you think. If this was your box, what would you do? I am going to leave my husband's referral link in the description box below. He currently has a referral code that is active for $50 off your first Stitch Fix box. It is good for men or women, and so that would allow you to try Stitch Fix. It would waive your styling fee. You wouldn't have to pay anything up front. You would get your box sent to you for free, and then you could use that $50 to put towards anything that you want to keep from your first box. The thing about Stitch Fix is you only pay for what you keep, and so I love the convenience and how easy Stitch Fix is. If you have any questions, let me know, and until next time, bye guys.